Oh yeah, this is better youth powered by Panic Mechanic, baby.
We want to make this car a spin car. Today we are working on BMW E30, but this one, it's a small engine, small peak, you know. Challenge accepted. Took out the engine without the crane, bruh. This is it, man. Oh yeah, this is DJ from Better Youth powered by Panic Mechanic, baby. Today we are working on BMW E30, but this one, it's a small engine, small peak, you know, 318. Yeah, and it is carburetor, this one, you know, so this nowadays, we not talk about carburetor, so we want to make this car a spin car. So this is it, man. Let's start. This is BMW E30. It's a fresh box, this one. You can see it. You can smell it. It's fresh. Oh yeah, there's a challenge here. These guys, they said we don't have to use the engine crane. They want to lift up this engine with their own hands. Challenge accepted. Oh yeah. This is fuse box, brake booster, but there's no master cylinder here. This is the intake manifold, but there's no carburetor here. Alternator, oil filter, many things are not here. This is the distributor. Oh yeah, this is it, man. Here we are removing the exhaust manifold. Then after the exhaust manifold, we're gonna remove the engine mountains. There are two. One, two on the other side. So also with the gearbox. It's going out, then we can pull up the engine. Oh yeah, this is it, man. Challenge accepted. Yeah. Took out the engine without the crane, bruh. With our own hands. This is it, man. Yeah. We can walk around 10 kilometers with it, bro. Oh yeah, this is it, man. It's out. 318 BMW. It's out. This is our oil cap. And this is the distributor. Yeah, you see. This is the module for this engine. I don't understand what is going on, eh? Andreas wiring this one. He use it for trucks. It's a truck fixer this one. Yeah, very cool. This is it, man. You see this engine? This engine it's a big brother to this one. It was born before this one. This one is N20 engine. You see, it's N20 engine. This one it's for F30. Then this one is E30 318 engine. Yeah, this is it, man. Ah, pa, 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 pa. Yeah, this is it. This is it, man. As we wanna tow, this is Better Youth powered by Panic Mechanic. We wanna tow this trailer so that we can load that car on top of it. This is 45, baby. Dorjeta zotramba ma. Oh yeah, this is it, man. This is Better Youth powered by Panic Mechanic. As we are done removing the engine, it's a hole inside here. So the gearbox, we are going to use it. Then we are going to put a modified engine, 2.9 BMW. Yeah, I think maybe we can put I think we can put the engine which is no longer using petrol, but which is going to use ethanol. Oh yeah, this is it, man. This is Better Youth powered by Panic Mechanic. It is happening here in South Africa. Oh yeah, one love. It's our spin box this time. It's using electric windows, as you can see. Must make sure with the belt. Must make sure this thing is tied up. Oh yeah, this is it, man.